Do you know how to deposit a thin film like this? We will discuss this in this video, so that you can do it yourself in home.
So we'll try to deposit oxides of copper on this. So what first things you need is a copper sulfate solution. So this is a copper sulfate solution. This is the color of this copper sulfate solution. Violet color. We can take some pieces of copper sulfate to the beaker. So I just put some rough amount of this copper sulfate, and then we can add some water to mix it. So I normally take normal water. For ideal experiments, you can use a DA water. So I just put some water, pour some water. Okay, about 100 milliliter. So then just mix it. So I can just mix this one together. So you want to mix all those small particles so that it will make proper solutions. The color of the solutions was changed to violet color. So in this we need to put 2 electrodes. So I am taking 2 copper electrodes. So this is identical. So it's a copper coil. Okay. Then what we do is we will fix this one to the electrode and we apply the voltage so that we can see your depositions on the electrode. So we can take this as a cathode and this is your anode. So we'll apply positive supply to here, negative to here. Okay. So I just connected this 2 foils here. This is identical. So this is my cathode and this is my anode. So this is connected to my power supply, and here we have this is connected directly to the negative pole of the power supply, and this is connected to your positive of this power supply. Okay. Now we can apply voltage. We can just check it. What is the voltage of this power source? Okay, we can just switch on this and see what is the voltage here. So we can normally apply very low voltage. So let 2 or 3 voltage I can apply. So let's try with the 3 voltage. Okay, we can adjust about 3 volt. Okay, let's adjust to 3 volt. So now we don't put the electrolyte. We can take the electrolyte from here. So we can first switch off this one and put it inside this one. So now these are the 2 electrodes is inside our electrolyte. So what we next do is we will just apply the power supply and see whether this deposition is happening here. Okay, so I can just switch on my power supply and see what's happening into these electrodes. So if you look at closely, the color of that this electrode is changing, which means that the copper oxide is depositing on this one. Okay, we can wait for some time. And if you look at the other electrode, we cannot see some color changes there, but we don't know what is happening here, so we'll just look at it. Okay, we can just stop our deposition. Just closing my deposition tab. Then we can take out the 2 electrodes. So just take it out. So this is my first electrode. This is my second. So this is my cathode. It's a black color, and this anode is this one. Okay, if I look at this one, we can clearly see a very clear black color. So this is a copper oxide which is deposited within a short time. And if you look at this other one, So we cannot see any deposition, but no change in color picture. But it's actually looks like the polished one. Okay, so that's why this is the end result. The cathode, we deposited both the films, and this is the deposition happens on the cathode.